Hello everyone, my name is Priyam Parashar. I'm a third year engineering student currently working as a data analyst intern at LabMentex. So today I'm here to present my project, Instagram Performance Analytics for Sugar Cosmetics. This project focuses on transforming raw Instagram data into powerful strategic insight using data cleaning, DAX calculation, and advanced dashboard analysis using Power BI. So let's talk about the project background a little bit. We know Sugar Cosmetics is one of India's fastest growing digital first beauty brand. Their primary customer acquisition channel is Instagram. However, posting frequently does not guarantee engagement or reach. We know about it. So the key business question was, how can Sugar Cosmetics use their Instagram data to understand what works and what doesn't? How to optimize future content strategy. So this project answers to those questions with data driven statistics. The main objective of this project were to evaluate the brand's Instagram performance using KPIs like total post, impressions, reach, and engagement. Analyze trends such as monthly posting frequency and weekday engagement patterns as well. Compare different content formats like image, video, reel, carousels, and identify high performance posts based on likes, engagement, and the engagement rate. Performing hashtag analysis to determine which hashtag contributes most to reach and engagement, and design an interactive business ready Power BI dashboard to support the social media decision making. These objectives align directly with the real world digital marketing needs. So let's go for dataset overview. We can see the dataset that we have been provided consisted of 50,000 plus Instagram posts from Sugar Cosmetics with key attributes such as post date, post type, campaign, hashtag, audience emotion, engagement sources, impression reach, like, comments, shares, saves, profile visits, uh, etc. Yeah. So this gave us a complete 360-degree view of how each post is performing. Now, talking about the data cleaning and processing. So I began the cleaning of the data set in Power Query. This included removing the blank and the duplicate rows, fixing date formats as in we go for here, it was just given the date. So I made it like day, month, and year, and also along with the timings at which they were posted. And then moving to post type, campaigning type, hashtag, audience engagement, text type. Converting all the matrices into proper numeric format, like as we talk about impression, reach, like, comments, share, saves. And so it was converted to whole number. And then the engagement rate was converted to decimal so that we can have the accuracy. And then creating coherent data hierarchy, trimming and separating the hashtags as we talk about the hashtags over here. So, creating new fields such as post label, month name, engagement rate, and total interaction. So, post label, days of the week, month name, these were the new columns which I created. For hashtag analysis, I use split root to transform, to expand the compound hashtag into strings and individual row. This allow the granular analysis of top performing hashtag. Then moving on to the DAX measure after analysis, after cleaning, I built several DAX measure to create meaningful KPIs. We can see it in the report view. Uh, some of these included total posts, total profile visits, total impression, and average engagement rate. These DAX measures were essential for transforming raw data into actionable business insights. Now, talking about the dashboard overview, so this is the final Power BI dashboard. It contains 10 plus interactive visuals combined into clean, modern design aligned with Sugar Cosmetics brand theme, which is mostly purplish pink. The dashboard is completely dynamic. Every filter affect the whole report in real time. From the top KPI panel, we observed that over 50,000 posts were analyzed, then 30 million total profile visits with these posts and 1 billion total impressions with an average engagement rate of 19% was observed. So now insights, post type performance, if we see total engagement by post type and engagement sources. So we come to this and we see video outperforms like the videos. They outperform the image engagement. Carousel posts receive the highest saves and uh, indicating user find them valuable. And influencers and collab driven posts often have the high engagement organic than the organic posts only. One second. So talking about talking about the engagement, we also have the count total engagement by the campaign type if we go dive into it. So we see that the carousel posts receive highest saves, indicating users find them valuable, and the influencer and collab driven posts drive higher engagement than the organic posts only. This suggests that focusing on multi image content and collaboration based videos can significantly boost the engagement. So now moving to the insights of weekday analysis. So, talking about the weekday analysis, we move to this chart. So in this, we see it is very faint, but we have to observe carefully. So days of the week analysis reveal that on Wednesday and Saturday generate the highest engagement, and Monday consistently performs the weakest. As we talk about it, like if you see, it is very faint in comparison to others. The insight directly helps in scheduling the post for maximum audience visibility. And now moving to insights for monthly posting trend. The monthly posting trend, which we can see it in this graph, shows that the Sugar Cosmetic has consistent posting frequency. If we see, however, the engagement fluctuates depending on the seasonal campaign and product launches. Months like July, if we talk about August, August, which will be over somewhere here, and December, like here. So these show spike indicating successful campaigning periods. And now we move to so now moving to top post and engagement rate, we move on to this graph, which say the count of total engagement by post type and engagement sources. I analyzed the top posts by likes and also by top engagement rate. Interestingly, some of the posts were moderately liked and high engagement rate, meaning they reached smaller audience but performed exceptionally well relative to the reaches. Uh, these are where what we call as hidden gem post, and they provide the inspiration for future content planning. Now let's move on to the hashtag analysis. So we get it from this graph. So in this one, what we see is okay. The bold looks, cruelty free, and vegan beauty makeup goals are the most frequently used and highest performing hashtags. Posts with these hashtags show higher engagement rate and reaches, and hashtags related to vegan and cruelty free beauty perform significantly better due to current consumer trend. So, this analysis helps Sugar Cosmetics to plan future hashtags, increase discoverability. And now we move on to the engagement funnel, as in with this graph. So, what we see is the impression reach, likes, comments, share, and saves. We observe around 70 to 80% drop from impression reach to from impressions to reach. Very small percentage of the viewer convert into shares or saves. Saves are generally higher from the carousel posts and the tutorials. So the funnel, so this reveals the opportunity to optimize the caption, thumbnails, CTAs, and time to reduce the drop offs. So the strategic recommendation would be um, that I would propose is to post more on Wednesdays and Saturdays for maximum reach. Prioritize video carousel formats as they outperform the images. Use high performing hashtags consistently, like the bold look, and makeup goals, vegan beauty, cruelty free, etc. Increase collaborative posts as they generate dramatically higher engagement. Leverage on hidden gem concepts post with engagement rate should be reproposed, and create a CTA driven content, focusing more on the saves and the share to amplify the reach, monitoring decline, impression months, and adjusting the style and frequency. These recommendations are backed directly by the data which has been provided to us. So, in conclusion, this project helped me practically apply the skills in data cleaning, transformation, DAX measure creation, Power BI dashboard design, social media analytics, and business storytelling. From this project, I learned how to convert the raw social media matrices into meaningful business insights that can support strategic decision making for the marketing team. Thank you so much for your attention. And that's all from my side. Thank you.